get a poker chip. How you doing today, sir? Thank you.
But she didn't want a band-aid. She had like just
I so like this color. This is a color for your ass right here.
Putting that on YouTube?
I will, I am. I certainly am.
Sorry, I just ruined your video.
No, that's cool, man. I saw something about a Street Glide STLT.
Yeah,
what is that?
It's over here. That's Sport Touring. That's what the ST stands for.
Oh, Sport Touring.
117 motor. Wow. It's got a sport front fender, bronze wheels, bronze axles on the engine. It's got standard bags. So on the specials, they got the stretch bags.
The stretch bags.
These ones are short, so for more lean angle. And then you got rid of the lower tail light, like on the, we call it a mullet, on the back of the special. See how the tail light's down at the bottom?
Oh, okay. Gotcha. So that way it all lines up with the bags.
You get the tail light there now. You get the solo seat.
Okay.
That's about the major differences between this and a Street Glide special.
And the 117.
Yeah.
Wow. So it's funny. I just picked up a 117. A Street Glide special 114, 2021. Wish I'd have known these were coming out. Else I would have waited.
Road Glide special 2021.
Yeah. I wish I'd have waited.
I would have known these are coming out too.
If I would have known, I would have waited.
Me too.
I would have waited. Because I like that. So it comes with the 117. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with having a few more cubes.
Just spread yours in and we'll get you one of these.
I thought about it when I was down at Brandon Harley, and I had the bike there for my 1,000-mile service, and they were trying to trade it in for 2022, and I was like, come on, guys. They were like, well, come on, well, let's try. I was like, all right, fine, fuck it. Do whatever you need to do. But that's that. So it don't. This is aftermarket, right?
It was just, that came like that.
Oh, it came like that.
Yeah, just, I don't know why they put them on there.
Yeah.
Kind of interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, that's code for ill.
Yeah. I know what I would do.
Yeah, not that. Yeah. Those would have to go. LEDs or
These ones, no.
No, oh, nope. Those are the regular old lights.
LED.
And these go for what? The same amount as a.
No, they're a little more than a special.
A little more than a special.
Yeah, but they got the Daymaker headlight on them.
Okay. All right, but other than that, really the big difference is the engine.
Oh, huge difference, yeah.
Wow, I like this. I like this. So ST, Sport Touring.
Yep.
And it comes with a nice solo seat.
And they also make it in gunship gray as well.
They do the gunship gray? Yeah, the gunship gray is nice.
Yeah.
I like that color. Do they do it in
this? No, just a gunship gray and black.
And black. See, this is the color right here. I like this color.
Yeah, this is Midnight Crimson.
Yeah. Yeah, when I was at Brandon, they were trying to give me the swap mines for this. If we could have made it happen, I would have did it.
What color's yours?
What's that gray? Gauntlet gray. Gauntlet gray. But now, you know, Gauntlet gray, you know, custom dynamic lights, Mustang C, you know, I just started doing all that shit. So you're like, well, fuck, man, I just got it. So I can't trade it now.
Just keep it.
Yeah.
Wait for the next best thing later on down the road.
Later on down the road, you know, I wanted to do a different head pipe, but they're like, that's going to void the warranty. That's all right, fine, fuck it, whatever. All right, bro. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem. Take it easy.
Any other sport tourings, like for road glides, or just?
Yeah, we got the road glide. Let me see if we still have it.
So they did it in the street glide and the road glide.
The road glide ST over here, and they make the lowrider ST, but it's not out yet.
Oh my god! I can only imagine how fast that shit was gonna be. Don't waste shit.
I mean, the lowrider ST or lowrider S already has the 117 motor in it, but the ST is going to have a small fairing, and it's also going to have the sport bags.
All right, but that's good though. But the wow, that's going to be fast. I mean, that bike is already fast.
Yeah.
Like, you know, you can't help but ride it fast because it's so light. And all right, so just the road glide. So same shit.
Same thing as the street glide.
Yeah. I like the wheels. I like the wheels and the way it goes with the head.
Yep.
That's nice.
And Harley Davidson also makes, of course, they make all the accessories to match, you know, that bronze.
Of course.
So all your covers and stuff for your engine and grips, floorboards, all the matching stuff that you can find.
Nice. Now this bike, it doesn't come with the. That's just a cover for the oil thing down here. So you got, I guess, your voltage guy here and your oil.
This piece?
No, this piece there.
It's just your nose fairing for the oil.
Yeah, it doesn't come with an oil cooler, right? There's no oil cooler. Oh, it does come with an oil cooler?
Yep.
Shit, I didn't know that.
But it's air cooled.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
If you're thinking about like a radiator, like a water cooled one,
yeah,
that would be on this. See how this one is?
On one of these limiteds.
Yeah, these. Inside of here, you got your coolant and a fan.
Yeah, okay.
On both sides.
Yeah, because one thing I noticed on mine is, you know, as soon as I get in stop and go traffic, the heat coming from this middle area there is almost burning my pants leg. It's so hot.
Talking about right here?
Yeah, so it's right in this area, right in there. It is so hot.
So you probably don't know this, but on your bike you have a function. It's called EITMS, Engine Idle Temperature Management System.
All right.
And you can basically just go turn your bike on, hold it forward for 10 seconds, release, hold it forward for 5 seconds. It'll activate your EITMS. So whenever you come to a stop, your rear cylinder will turn off. And then when you give it gas, it comes back on. So if you're sitting in traffic or some hot conditions, every time you stop, that rear cylinder is gonna.
Do you have to turn it on first in order to do the whole throttle thing?
Yeah, so you turn, well, I can show you right now, watch.
Let me go around.
So on your infotainment system, you're just going to go to your engine page. So it says EITMS is disabled.
Okay.
So 1, 2, oops, what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
got some new lights installed over here while I was at Daytona. Got the window trim. I was gonna do the ones on the side over there. I don't know, maybe I'll do that another time, or maybe I'll come back down here and get it done since the installation is free. But now it's raining, so I was getting ready to leave, but I guess I'll be camping out just for a little bit because it's almost getting dark and it's raining, and I don't fucking like riding at night in the rain. I ride at night, I ride in the rain. I just don't like to ride at night in the rain. So that's how she's looking. Was trying to charge up the 360 camera so we could get a little juice in there, because it seemed like it won't record when there's no juice, and there's clearly no juice. But anyway, I want you to see what I'm seeing.